Eufy BoostIQ Robot Vacuum Cleaner Reviews. Best Robot Vacuum of 2018 by Digital Trends. All new RoboVac. Re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac 285, but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1300 pascals. BoostIQ Technology automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. A quiet clean vacuums for up to 100 minutes** on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Premium features: anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. What you get: RoboVac 11's remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide and our worry-free 12-month. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.